Hey everybody, it's Jason and Kent. We are here. Kent's behind the scenes. He's going to help me out here. He's doing the camera work. We are unboxing the Carl Friedrik Carry-On X. We've been researching a lot of different luggage, and first of all, this is not sponsored. We purchased this. We purchased 2 bags, but we're going to unbox this one. So we're going to give our complete, honest, 100% review after we go on our cruise in a couple days. So, and that'll be a whole other video, but we're going to be using this luggage on our trip. Now, first, we have had this Tumi bag. It's been a great bag. I mean, this has traveled the world with us. We've been to Japan,
to Europe,
Philippines, Italy. I mean, just all over the place, and then of course all of our domestic trips too.
and the cruise,
and it is
all of our cruises.
All of our cruises. It's been amazing. But recently we've had some issues with the wheels. We're really not sure. I mean, could be age. I think it's in great shape, but it's just really hard to push. And we just thought, you know what? Let's look into some new luggage. Again, we carry these on, so we're not looking to check them. We had to check it. Gosh, we had to check it like twice, I think, since we've owned it, and they got damaged both times we checked it. So that's the bummer about having to check a nice bag, is it can get damaged, and it probably will. So, but anyway, so I'm gonna put that aside, and we can get started on the unboxing. Comes like this in a nice normal box, and then okay. So there it is. Very pretty. And we're going to measure this and everything to give everybody an idea of the size. So here it is. Let's take it out. Take it out of the bag. All right. Well, it is really, really, really pretty. Like I said before, we researched a lot, and this seemed to be the bag that had a really, really good reviews. So
yeah, and the things that we're looking for.
Yeah, and it had things that we're looking for. One of the things I really think I'm gonna like about it, I'm hoping, and I'll know this after we go on this trip, is it's got this front pocket. This is the Carry-On X because the X has the front pocket, right? Mm-hmm. And this is, let me talk about the materials real quick. So the materials, it's a German-engineered Macrolon polycarbonate shell, aluminum lock frame, vachetta leather detailing. So it's got this leather, really cool leather strap here, leather handle, and it's just, the color is really cool. This is the gray, mm-hmm. right? The gray with the lighter leather. You can get it in different colors, and you can get like a chocolate leather. Anyway, and it's got a recycled polyester lining. We'll check that out in a second. But it has this really cool front pocket where you can put your computer, iPad. It's got all these cool little pockets for
you can actually
just taking your office with you. What's that?
You can extend that.
You can extend it.
Yep, it's just Velcro. Yep, and lock.
Okay, so it's Velcro, so you can extend this if you need to. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's cool. So we will lock that up. Zip that up. What we were really looking for too is because we're traveling out of the country a lot and internationally, and we didn't want to have a bag that had a zipper for more protection. So it's got the TSA lock here in case they need to open it up, but they can't take a pen and just unzip it. Maybe this part, but you know, this is the main bulk of what your personal items are going to be in. So anyway, it's got this beautiful leather here. Just you know, seems like a nice sturdy handle. It's typical. Doesn't feel like it's any more sturdy than our Tumi. Our Tumi is a very sturdy bag, actually. The only thing we're having an issue with it is rolling. But we will see this already. I mean, it's new, so of course it's going to roll really well. Okay, so the lock system here. Let's turn it here on its side. Okay, so it's got these locks here, and then of course you can set your code. Opening it up. Wow, it's really pretty. I love luggage. I love bags in general. Just looks like it's got some nice deep. Okay, so here's one of the differences, I think. So our Tumi bag, I feel like the wheels take up space inside. This feels like you've got all the space inside. The wheels kind of sit outside of the
Luggage.
Yeah, outside of where you're gonna put your luggage and stuff here, your storage. Oh, it comes with a nice little card. That's nice. Should I open it?
Of course.
All right, let's open it up. Let's see what it says. Oh, it says, "Thank you from Carl Friedrik. We would like to thank you for being our valued customer. Please find enclosed your Carl Friedrik product. We have worked hard to make this essential daily item as elegant as it is practical. We'll list ensuring it is of the highest quality. We hope you agree and will love it for years to come. We would love to hear your thoughts and see pictures." Cool. Okay, and then here's just like instructions and care and all that stuff. Let's kind of explore this a little bit. So this
Compression.
So you're gonna put clothes in there and then.
Yep.
Okay, compression. That's cool. Take some air out and store more stuff. And it's got these cool straps. What are these called?
Straps.
Straps. There's no special name for them. Okay, this is gonna be cool. Like I said, we're gonna go on our trip, and this will be the tell-all here. Okay, so this is the lining because I was thinking you can pull it up. Because on the other side is where you would have your computer and stuff. Okay, so it's really pretty inside. It's got this really nice little details. I'm all about the details, so really cool. Okay, I'm gonna close it up. Lock it up and you're good. Nobody can break into it. Yeah, this is really cool. So let's see. We're going to talk about specifications. So this is a hard shell zipped front laptop pocket. Any stop trolley system. Integrated TSA approved locks. So that would be these here. Seamless 360-degree Hinomoto silent spinner wheels. Yeah, they seem pretty sturdy. They're like rubber. Let's see those. I can't wait to roll this, and because we've been having so much problem rolling our bags, our arms are tired. I can't wait to use this. Modular interior design includes 2 sets of compression straps and a compression pad. We just saw that. 2 narrow zipped interior pockets. Let's look at that again because I don't remember saying that. That's this here. So these are the pockets. You can hide some stuff in there. Okay. So the modular interior design includes 2 sets of compression straps. So these 2, okay. And a compression pad, which we saw earlier. And the compression pad has storage to put stuff in. Really cool. Let's see. Compliant with most European, US, and ROW airline cabin size restrictions. The width is 14.8 inches. Height is 22.3 inches. Depth is 10.4. 10.6 expanded. Weight is 9.5 pounds. And volume is 43 liters. Is that what L is? Liters? Okay. So let's measure it. Okay. So let's see. They're saying that the width is 14.8. So let's see. That seems about right. Height is 22.3. 22.3. Okay, so they are including the wheels. So I'm gonna go right there. 22.3. That's exact. Okay. Depth is 10.4. So that would be if we closed it up, let's see. That would be this, right? Yeah, it's about 10.4. Okay. Weight 9.5 pounds. Seems about accurate. And then the 43 liters. I'm excited. This is a really beautiful bag. This is the Carry-On X.
How much did we buy it for?
Well, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. So it's $645 online.
Yeah, that's the regular price.
Regular
We got
price.
it during
We
Black Friday.
We got this during Black Friday, and how much did we get it for?
It was like 400.
400 and some change.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah.
So 400 and some change, and we paid like $800 for our Tumi, and like I said, that's gone everywhere with us, and it's held up. I mean, it's gone through crazy. I mean, we put that thing on boats and went to the Philippines, went to Palawan, El Nido, and that thing's survived a lot, and they still look beautiful. Anyway, we're excited about this new luggage and the adventures we're gonna use it for. But we are gonna take it in a couple of days to Miami and go to the Caribbean on Virgin Voyages, and you'll see that video you'll see that in another video. But we will do a follow-up
after the first use.
After to let you know how all this worked out. So we are back from our trip, and we got to use the bag, and obviously it's not Christmas anymore. You don't see the Christmas lights behind me, or I'm not wearing the hat, but we really love the bag. Okay, so one of the things that we really love, we love the TSA security locks because they can't break into the bag, obviously. I did love the fact that I was able to put my computer in the front pocket here. What I did notice though when I put the computer in this bag was that it sort of became front heavy. So the bag sort of, like when you're rolling it, it felt like it would kind of go forward. So that's one thing you got to think about if you have a computer in there. You obviously don't want it to land on the computer. The wheels were very smooth. Love the wheels. Very different than the Tumi bags that we have. The wheels on the Tumi bags, they're just really hard to push. Even in the beginning, they weren't super easy. These seem to really roll well. Of course, the bag is stylish and really pretty when you're rolling it around. And I'm pretty sure we had a couple people ask us, what are those? Those bags are really cool. Those are the pros. So the con, okay, so the difference between the Tumi bag and this one is the Tumi bag, I feel like you could kind of overpack it a little bit. So you can literally put stuff in there and then kind of jump on it and then zip it, and that was great. This bag you can't really overpack because it is what it is, and size inside, pretty much packing whatever you can pack in there. So can't really do that. So that's kind of the con. The other con is it's a really nice bag, and you don't really want it to get damaged. So it's gonna get damaged because it's gonna travel all over the world, but it's really pretty, and I'm very picky about my stuff, so when things get damaged, it kind of bugs me. But anyway, I mean, that's as a con, that's not really a con, right? So not a lot of cons. So overall, this bag lived up to its reputation. It's a premium, stylish carry-on with excellent security and mobility. While it doesn't offer much flexibility for overpackers, if you're looking for a durable, smooth rolling, and sophisticated suitcase, it's definitely a solid choice. Would we use it again? Absolutely. But we'll be a little bit more mindful to pack efficiently. Well, if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe. It would really help our channel, and it allows us to give you more great content. And keep an eye out for our Virgin Voyages cruise video. That's coming up soon. That was a really fun trip, and we're excited to share that with you. See you in the next one. This is the blooper. This is the freaking blooper reel. Okay. What we've used the Tumi bag for.
So what are we doing first?
For years.
Let's start. Let's
restart. Okay, we're starting. That's a blooper.
All right.
Take 55.
Hi, Jason here. Kent on the back. Just introduce yourself.
All right. Hey everybody. All right, Jason Maddox here.
Not just Jason. It's Jason and Kent, not Jason Maddox.
Okay. Well, if you find this value. Hi everybody. The Carl Friedrik
Carry-On X.
Carry-On X. No, that's not good.
Virgin Voyages.
This luggage it's so pretty. We've been researching.
Alexa, we're home.
Put stuff in there and then kind of jump on it and then zip it. Oh, I wasn't using this.
Let's close that. It's totally.
Why is it open?
Because you pull the thing.
Hey everybody, it's Jason and
Yeah.
Kent.
Breathe and then go.
Okay, here we go. Take 56. We'll talk to you soon. We'll see you soon. Bye.